two masses m1 and m2, they are moving with velocity v1 and v2. So first body of mass m1, second body of mass m2. Initial velocity of first body is v1 and initial velocity of second body is v2. They are moving in opposite direction and they will collide elastically. Here collision is elastic collision. Collision is what? Elastic collision. And after collision, masses m1 and m2 moves with velocity v2 and v1. Means here v1 is equal to v2 and v2 is equal to v1. Means final velocity of first body will becomes v2 and final velocity of second body it becomes v1. It becomes what? v1. Then the ratio v2 by v1 is, so we want to find out v2 by v1 equal to question mark. Now see here, two bodies they are moving, two bodies of masses m1 and m2, they are moving with velocity v1 and v2 in opposite direction and there occurs a collision. After collision they start moving in opposite direction. First body of mass m1 will move with velocity v2, second body of mass m2 will move with velocity v1. And because this collision is elastic collision, so therefore we can say that law of conservation of momentum holds good. Law of conservation of momentum. So according to law of conservation of momentum, total momentum before collision, momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Now before collision we know our system has two bodies of masses m1 m2 moving with velocity v1 and v2. So what is momentum before collision? It is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. And after collision, what is the momentum after collision? It is m1, but now body of mass m1 is moving with velocity v2. So m1 v2 plus second body of mass m2. After collision that second body moves with velocity v1. So m2 v1. So m1 v1 plus m2 v2 equal to m1 v2 plus m2 v1. m1 v2 plus m2 v1. Now what we have to find out? Ratio of v2 to that of v1. So collect the terms of v2 to one side. So m1 v1 minus of m2 v1. m1 v1 minus of m2 v1 is equal to m1 v2 and take this term to this side minus of m2 v2, minus of what? m2 v2. So here v1 can be taken as common. So in bracket it is m1 minus of m2, and from the right hand side v2 can be taken as common. So in bracket we are having m1 minus of m2. So m1 minus m2 on both sides get cancelled and we had v1 is equal to v2. Therefore v2 by v1 is equal to v2 divided by v1 is equal to 1. v2 divided by v1 is equal to 1. So out of 4 option A, see what is option A is 1. So the correct option for this question is option A.